In this class, we will learn about layers of Earth. As Earth is made up of three layers, three concentric layers. The first is called crust, second is mantle, and third is core. When we look, actually crust is thinnest of them all. It is only 35 km thick, and when we come to mantle, it is 2900 km deep, and when we come to core, it spreads to 3500 km. Now look at their formation. The rocks that form them are, first of all, if we look at core is made up of nickel and iron, and iron is also, the scientific name of iron is ferrous. So we take Ni from nickel and Fe from iron, it become knife. So it is formed by nickel and iron. This is the substance that make core, most of the core. And then if we look at crust, silica and aluminium. Silica and aluminium make the crust. That's why it's called Sial. But when we see on the oceanic floor, silica and magnesium is there. Silica and magnesium is there. And on oceans floors, the crust is only 5 km deep. On ocean floors, crust is only 5 km deep. Otherwise, crust is 35 km deep, but on continental mass and on ocean floor, it is 5 km deep. Now look at three types of rocks. There are three types of rocks are there. First is igneous rock. Igneous rock, as the name suggests, it is formed by volcanoes. Igneous means fire, and it formed by volcano. When the volcano bursts from inside the earth and magma comes out of the earth and it cool down, and this type of formation form igneous rock. There are two types of igneous rock: extrusive igneous and intrusive igneous. Extrusive, as the name suggests, when molten lava magma comes out of the earth and cools down, it's extrusive igneous. And when molten magma remain inside the earth layer, of earth, that form intrusive igneous. Like granite that we use in our kitchen for shelf, granite is the example of extrusive igneous, while basalt is an example of extrusive igneous. Sedimentary rocks. What do you mean by sedimentary rocks? Sediments means pieces of rocks. When pieces of rocks transported by wind or water and deposited on some place, then the sediments keep on collecting at one place, and they form a rock called sedimentary rock. You can see layers in this. These are sediments, and then over the time they get compressed, hardened, and they form sedimentary rock. The example like sandstone is an example of sedimentary rock. Now third type of rock is metamorphic rock. What do you mean by metamorphic? Metamorphic means change of form. Any rock, whether it could be igneous or sedimentary, igneous or sedimentary rock could become metamorphic over the time period. When after 100 or 2000 years, when these rocks under great heat and pressure, igneous or sedimentary rock under great heat and pressure change its form. Drastically they change their form, and a new type of rock is formed that is called metamorphic. For example, this is a chalk. Chalk is also called limestone. So chalk is an example of sedimentary rock. Chalk is an example of sedimentary rock. But when this type of rock under great heat and pressure, it changes its form. How it changes its form? It hardens. It hardens and it could become a marble. So marble is an example of igneous rock. Chalk is an example of sedimentary rock, and marble is an example of metamorphic rock. So a chalk could become a marble, and this change of form, as it become too hard and become marble, it is example of metamorphic rock. So I hope it would be clear to you. Thank you.